Cash book account. Master your financial record very well with cash book account. Understanding a cash book is one of most important steps in mastering accounting basics. One of the most important in mastering accounting basics. In this video, you will learn what a cash book is all about and how it works and why it is important, essential, necessary for tracking your daily financial transactions. Whether you are a business owner or a student or a beginner in accounting, this guide will surely help you. Cash book, to record your receipts and the payments. Your payments accurately. It helps you to record your payment and receipt accurately to avoid errors and stay financially organized. You stay financially organized. It will be broken into bit by bit. Break it down. We are going to break it down bit by bit to enable you understand it in a simple and a practical way, so you can start using a cash book confidently today. Like I said earlier, is the process of recording your daily business financial activities. Cash book, that is the purpose. Bookkeeping, keeping record of your daily business activities. In cash book, we have three types of cash book. One is single column cash book. What is this single column cash book? Single column cash book is that cash book which is the most simplest among all, and it records only cash transaction. Single column cash book, that is why it was called single column cash book. It records only but your cash transactions. That is why it's called single column cash book. We have the other one, double column cash book. Double column cash book. This cash book has two columns, which records two columns on the east side, the debit and the credit. It records cash plus either bank or discount transactions. Every cash collected, you receive. Every cash spent, you pay out. Then every money paid through transfer, you receive it on the bank column. Every discount, for instance, somebody bought goods worth of 500,000 and you give discount of 20,000, then that 20,000 will be posted in the discount column. You are discounting it, you are writing it off from that 500, which will give you 480,000. That is the essence. It records both cash, bank, or discount, as the case may be. We move over to the last one, which is triple column cash book, or you call it three column cash book. Three column cash book is the most advanced type of cash book. This is the most complete one, the most complete type of cash book. It records all cash and the bank transactions together with discount together with discount allowed and discount received. That is why it's the most complete. Then it's also suitable for a larger businesses with requirements of every transactions, with frequent transactions, larger businesses with frequent transactions. What is familiar to the double column cash book, but the difference there now is discount received is acknowledged in this. Discount received is there, is permanently there. There is a column for discount, but the other one there is no column for discount. It either goes with the bank column or the other, but this one there is a constant column for discount allowed and discount received. That is why it's called 3-column cash book. You have the column for cash, you have the column for bank, you have the column for discount. But the double column cash book has the column for cash, column for bank or discount, the same place. Thank you as you subscribe and share. We'll keep giving you updates. Share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.